Hello everyone, this is going to be the test of my mom's smoke alarm system. So right here we have an i12060, which was disconnected for a long time because of a chirping battery. Chirping. It was just because the battery is running low. Then we got this one that recently replaced the Firex I4618 because I accidentally fried the hard wiring capabilities. So let's test this one first. And then let's do the other one.
This one chirped already.
Okay. Right, and this, the other one. Oh, come on. There. Alright, well, that was pretty quick. It's because I haven't installed all of the other ones. Cool!